So actually we will be covering a topic just like in this short video. So actually it's about the growth curve that is coming in the ecology. So let's get through it. So in the growth curve, there are two things that can be occurring. Either the resources are limited or they are unlimited. When the resources are unlimited, the J-shaped curve will be formed. But when the resources are limited, then the S-shaped curve will form. And when this curve will form, J-shaped, S-shaped, this seem like that okay, but isn't there a good name? So J-shaped curve is also called as exponential or geometric growth curve. While talking about the S-shape, it's sigmoidal logistic growth curve. So for the J-shaped curve, so when it's present when the resources are unlimited, and it's also called as exponential or geometric growth rate. And when I talk about the examples, so it is like a rainy season, insect population is increasing rapidly, eutrophic lake has algal bloom or bacteria in the lab. Okay, and when about the phases it has, so it has lag phase, log phase, and the declining phase. While when we are talking about that lag, log, and like that, okay, and there's a crash phase, okay, lag, log, and crash phase. And the formula of dn by dt is equals to rn. And when talk about the integrated formula, it is nt is equals to n not ert, right? S-shaped curves when the resources are limited, and it's a sigmoid or logistic growth curve, and it's a carrying capacity like the maximum number of individuals or species living in a particular area after utilizing the upper limit of the resources means the maximum resources, and at the k means the carrying capacity, the b is equals to d, so that the r is equals to 0. And when to cover the phases it has, so it has lag phase, it has positive acceleration, it has log phase, it has negative acceleration, and it has asymptote phase, stationary or zero growth phase. So it's like that at this phase, the population at k, b is equal to 0, r is equal to 0. This thing comes here, and the equation of the asymptote phase k is equals to n. So equation dn by dt rn we are saying in the J shape. So here dn by dt is equals to rn k minus n by k, and it's the Verhulst-Pearl logistic growth phase. And it's this k minus n by k, it is actually the environment resistance or the negative environmental factor that is not letting this graph to become a J-shaped graph, so it's become an S-shaped graph. And so yeah, this equation is known as the Verhulst-Pearl logistic growth phase. So these are the questions which can be coming, and this all thanks to my teacher who told me this. And yes, it's my teacher. So it's about the S-shaped and the J-shaped curve. J-shaped when resources are unlimited, S-shaped when the resources are limited. Remember this. First one is exponential or growth, and second one is logistic or sigmoid. And asymptote phase comes in the S-shape. Well, as more time is running, we will see more things. Okay. Declining crash phase, and yes, r is equals to b minus t. Thank you.